Hey guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio. So in today's video, I want to learn how to create this Valentine design here on Pixel Lab. You learn this blending, how I blend the background, do everything. So without me taking much of your time, let's start. So I'll be coming to my new template here. So I'm choosing this background. So I come to my background here and click on color. So then I come to gradient, tap on plus. So the first slider here, now select the color for it. So I click on OK. Now tap on this second one, this one below. I click on color again. So in case you are not seeing it very well, this is the color I used, 7D0506. 7D0506 for the darker red. So I'm clicking on OK. And for the lighter red, for the light version of the red, the color is D41417. Okay, so but this is not the color arrangement I used. I used this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, the second to the last here in this color arrangement. So I use this one as if the light is dispersing from up there. So then I click on OK. So I clicked on OK. So the next thing is to start importing the element I'll be using. So this is the background I'll be using. So here is the background I first used. Now I'll be selecting the ratio to 1:1. So let's leave it like this. I click on OK. Then I'll scale it down. Then I'll make it 100. So then I will align it. So the next thing I do is to reduce the opacity. Opacity of 6 is okay. So I'll be locking this. So that I click on import again. Come to my photo room. So everything I used here will be dropped in the description box. So here is it. I lock this. Import again. So this is what I did. Okay, so I logged this as well. So let me import. Then I come to import again. come to my download and select this image. All the stock images I use will be dropped in the description box. So then I'll be selecting circle. Okay, so now I have it. Now I'll be moving this one to the back, so this will be as if it is framed. Let me align it, just center aligned, and this. Okay, so let me lock the two. So now I come to my shape, click on this, and I select circle. Reduce this. If this is your first time of watching our video, please remember to subscribe, guys. So I select my text, and this is the text I use. Let me paste it here. So here is it. I click on OK. So I need to change the font. I come to my font, and it's a recent font. I'm sorry, it's a recent font, so it is Montserrat Medium. I click on OK. Come to my alignment, then I align the text to the center. Let me change this font size. So I'll be using 700 instead. Okay. Now make a copy of this, make a copy of it. Now type February 14. February 14. So I click on OK. Now I want to change the color to red. So the color I just used the color picker and use this dark version of the background. I click on OK. I go to my position. If you found this content helpful, please remember to drop a comment. Okay, so I'm done with this. So I need to import 2 more images. I'm sorry, guys. Come to my photo room. Now import this. So I will drop this for you guys also, so I can make use of it. I click on import again, and I'll drop this as well for you guys. Everything is in the comments box, in the description box. So I will align this, lock this, align this. So okay, so after that I come to my import again. So I'll put this PNG here. To add more spice to it. Now move this to the back. Let me send it to the back. So I'll lock it and make a copy of it. There's this effect I want to create on it. Just watch closely. I'll come to my eraser. So I increase this stroke and a blur radius. So watch me as I do it. So I click on OK, and I'll have this alone. So I want to scale this now. Just wait and see. Let me crop it again. So I'll crop it. You can reduce it the more. So here is everything. So it has more fun here again. So guys, that's the end of the video. So if you are new, remember to click on the subscribe button, and if you found this video helpful, remember to drop a comment. Yes, see you guys next week Friday. Keep creating. Bye.